Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Hello, you wonderful creative beings. I wish you a happy, happy, happy day. And have I ever told you that when you are doing that, keep your arms in the air, then you can't feel unhappy. Try that. It's very, very good in our actual times. And why do I say this, in our actual times? Because it's said that in our time, we're coming more and more and more away from nature, and we're coming more and more away from our true self, from our inner part, from our soul. Why it is like that? You see, when you watch your own life, then you may see all these technical stuff. It's so it has a huge space. It has become a huge space in our life, and through this technical informations are running so much through our head. So it means that we cannot digest these informations properly, and this that we cannot digest this information properly means that we are thinking all the time, and this thinking is taking us away from our true self, from our soul, because our soul is not thinking, our soul is a feeling. And through extensive thinking, our feelings have no more space in our world, and this feeling of humanity, of being a human with love and compassion, this can be this gets lost with this extensive thinking. So on one hand, this technical period which we are going through now, and which is the beginning of much more technical stuff we will have in the future. We cannot deny that, we cannot run away from that, but we can use it for also for benefiting us. We can use it for good things. You know, for example, all these e-courses which are now going to take place through internet and also there is a huge collectivity of, for example, of meditators, which is online, and we can a little bit filter these technical stuff, what we want to see. So for example, you can decide what you want to see. If you want to see bad things, you can have it in many movies, TV productions and so on. And when you want to see good things, you also can choose video channels which are very good, which are good food for our mind. And mind food is a very fundamental thing. If you have bad thoughts, you could also then do bad deeds. But if you have good thoughts, it's not possible to perform bad deeds. So see, when we see something very bad, when we see bad pictures, it affects promptly our heart, and it stays there also. And when you see good things, your life, or when you hear good things, when you see good things, when you perform good things in life, then also you will have a good life. This is more than an affirmation. It is a step to, it is a decision to have a good life. And all we want to have good lives, is it? So I wish you a very wonderful, happy life. And I wish that you will see good things, hear good things, talk good things, perform good things, and that you are innerly happy. So I wish you a wonderful day ahead.